maski patanggalin yung pangalan nila sa recommended for filing of criminal and administrative, pinapailan na nga sila eh. Yun ang yun sa akin, that's the sensible part of it. Kung hindi namin recommend, inibisiga na nga. Saan naman kami lulugar nun, di ba? Para naman kaming ewan. Kasi sabi kong reality sa ground because we're recommending them to undergo preliminary investigation and they're already undergoing preliminary investigation. So why would we go against what's already happening?
So sir, just to reiterate, hindi masama ang loob yung nag-.
No, definitely not. Hindi masama ang loob. I welcome na i-discuss namin mamaya. I welcome all contrary opinions or dissenting opinions. If they don't want to sign, so be it. Because that's supposed to be the case because we have our rules to follow, rules of procedure governing inquiries in aid of legislation.
But you confirm na pinapakausawan yung tatlong senador. At least that you confirm.
Yeah, 6 people lang nandun.
Okay, sir.
Ex-Congressman Saldico, of course, Senator Bong Revilla, tapos Senator Cheese, lahat ng nag-PPI ngayon, yun ang kasama doon.
Senator Joel, Senator Jinggoy.
Yeah.
You confirm that.
And ex-Congresswoman Mitch.
Hindi nanganganib makudeta si SP dahil pinapakasuhan yung mga kasamahan nyo, sir?
Mag-uusap-usap nga kami mamaya. If it will cost his Senate presidency, that's part of the game, ano? Kung because of the mere committee report na nag-participate naman din sila, aayaw na sila at tatanggalin na ng Senate President. No? I will take responsibility somehow. But the Senate President is all behind the Blood Bond Committee. Not in its findings. Ano? Kaya nga di-discuss namin, he will be there.
Nagkausap kayo ni SP na baka mamiligro yung kanyang posisyon?
Hindi na namin pinag-usapan yan. Pinag-usapan namin yung issues do sa Blue Ribbon Report. Kaya nga tumulong na rin siya how to use the proper language.
Yung tatlong senador na napapakasuhan, meron na pong nag-reach out sa inyo, sir, about your recommendation?
I think si Senator Joel was asking for a copy last night.
Okay.
Pero hindi namin mabigyan because ano nga yun, draft yun eh. And we intend to present also to them, to the minority members of the BRC, yung draft committee report to also get their input. After all, the members din sila.